Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad Paper, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options available on this tablet. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down to access System and Updates. Then select Language and Input, select your keyboard, and finally Input section. As you can see, all text correction options are here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on this little icon next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!